Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Richard. I am the owner of San Diego Cell Phone Repair, and today's video is gonna focus on repairing the screen on an LG Stylo 4. I'm gonna replace the full entire screen. This phone is pretty simple to fix. Anybody can do this phone. You don't have to have cell phone repair experience if you wanna do this repair at home. If you follow my lead, you should have no problems repairing this phone. Okay, so let's get started. All right, let's get this thing started. Okay, so here on the right side, you have the LG Stylo 4 that has a cracked screen. And then on the left, you have the part that I recommend on buying. As you see, it's pretty much, you're gonna replace the front half of the phone. It's pretty much what it is. It's very easy this way on this model. I recommend doing it this way on this model. Why? Because this whole piece only costs $36. That's it. So why not just make it easy, right? So just to add what I charge in my shop for this particular phone, I'm charging $125. The part only costs $36. So do the math. Okay, so let's get started. So the phone is turned off, and one thing that is different from all the other phones that I'm used to fixing is the back cover on this phone is actually made out of plastic. The way that I'm gonna take this back cover off is gonna be similar to the Samsungs, except I'm just gonna use just a little bit of heat. You might not even need heat, but I have a heat gun like this, and I'm just gonna blow it on here. I'm sure a hair dryer works. You can, what I have here is this little thin tool. It's called the iSesamo tool. And I stick this in between the back plate, the back cover, and the frame. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna get a card, and I'm just gonna take this back cover off. As you can hear that, you can hear the adhesive. You don't have to be gentle with the back cover. The thing is made out of plastic. It's not gonna break. And here we go. So what we're gonna do next is take out all these screws that you see. I'm gonna grab this tool, and I'm just gonna take this thing out. It comes out just like that because there's no screws holding it down anymore. And then this piece should come out right here. And since this screw is a different sizes than all the other one, we're gonna leave it right here. Right there, right next to that. So what we're gonna do next is just start unplugging everything. Unplug the battery. We'll unplug this front selfie camera. Let's go down. We'll unplug the screen. We'll unplug the charging port. Take out the SIM card, the SIM tray. Go right here. Just like that. We'll put this right here, and this whole motherboard should come right out. So there we go. You just got to jiggle it out a little bit, see? And it all comes out in one piece. So we'll just put this, we'll put it right here. So what's next? Battery. You can take out the battery. And as you see, you'll see a lot of the stuff, it's already there. You see the little vibration motor, ear speaker. There's actually, this one has a front selfie camera. So battery comes out. Sometimes the batteries on these phones, they come out easy. Sometimes they're harder to come out. It just depends on the phone that you're working with. All right, it's finally coming out now. There we go. There's the battery. We'll put it over here. So as you see, we're at the halfway point already. What was that, like just like a few minutes to do all that? And as you guys see, everything in this phone is matching right now. So that's why I recommend just to buy it like this, because this part, it's cost cheap to get. So pretty much halfway point, we'll put this little thing right here so we don't scratch the screen, and then we'll just work backwards. We'll just get this, put it in here, okay, so we got the motherboard in, and then all we do now is just start plugging stuff back in. Just like that. Plug that in. We'll get the battery back in. Actually, I'll cut 2 little strips of adhesive. The reason why you're gonna need adhesive is so the battery doesn't jiggle around inside the phone when you're like running with the phone or you're taking it to the gym or whatever. As you see on the original one, there's adhesive all over the phone. You see that? Look at that. Ooh, Chris Angel. Okay. All right. So then go like that. Plug it in first, and then we'll lay the battery down in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just turn the screen on right now. See, as you see, boom, there you go. So all you do now is just, you put this plastic thing right back in. All right, so LG Stylo 4, all I have to do is just put the back cover on. If you guys are seeing this right here with the little screw, the actual new screen came with the same part, so which is that little plastic piece right there, so I didn't have to transfer it over from the other one. So that's pretty much it. LG Stylo 4, wasn't that easy? All right, that was super easy, right? Literally 10 to 15 minute repair. The one thing that I kind of forgot is, don't forget this, to take the stylus pen out of the old frame and put it in here, because you're gonna have to transfer this. So don't forget that. That's the only thing. So 125 bucks, $36 for the part, $89 in profit in 15 minutes. I'll take that. So if you like this video, I have many other videos like this. Follow me on Instagram. Look at this. Ooh. Do it. Get over here.
Oh shit! Yeah. I need to see how to work.